1. Get rid of mold and mildew odors, as well as a buildup of soap and fabric residue by running the machine empty with hot water and about 2 cups of white vinegar. You can use 1 cup of bleach instead of vinegar, but bleach can damage the rubber gaskets. 2. Run a cycle of hot water and 1 gallon, 3.8 L, of white vinegar if you have hard water once a month or every 10 loads. The vinegar will help to dissolve the mineral deposits caused by hard water or well water. 3. Clean the top of the lid and underneath the lid of the washer with a damp sponge. 4. Pull out the lint trap, if your machine has one, and rinse it under running water. 5. Clean out the soap, bleach, and fabric softener dispensers. If these cups are removable, take them out and rinse them under running water. Otherwise, use a pipe cleaner or some cotton swabs to remove the residue. If you do this after each load, they won't get an accumulated buildup of gunk and grime.